The power of makeup is undeniable. Just keep calm and watch this video to the end to see how I created this perfect look you see here. In grooming her brows, I combed it up, trimmed, combed it down and trimmed too. Readjusted and retrimmed. That's all for this. I cleaned and primed her face using milk of Magnesia. This step is very important. Whether you are applying a light coat of foundation or a full face makeup, primer helps to make your makeup last longer. Then allow to dry. When it comes to foundation, finding the perfect shade for your skin is priority number 1. After applying it, if the foundation disappears without any sort of blending, you found your true match. I started from the center of my face and blended the liquid foundation outwards. As you sweep your foundation across the skin, be sure to puff it in. Certain types of makeup brushes are also great for buffing foundation into the skin. If you're looking for a light coverage, your fingers may prove to be the right applicator. Since I wanted a full coverage look here, I went in to use my applicator brush. I use a compact concealer here for a heavier coverage to reduce the appearance of dark under eye circles and create a glowing bright look. Highlighter adds a bit of glow to every makeup look. I applied it at the center of the forehead, the center of the chin, across the tops of the cheekbone, and on the center of the nose. If you want makeup that stays on all day without greasing or shine, it's important to set the makeup. I drew a clean line under the brows and a shorter line above it using gel liner and eyeliner brush. Filled in with a mascara gel so as to hold the brows in place. For a more lifted arc, I concealed the arc with a concealer that is 2 shades lighter. Then conceal the tail, the head, and above it with a concealer that is the color of her foundation. Gave it a hair-like strokes for a more natural finish. Here I cleaned out the excess concealer. For a lasting eyeshadow look and a popping color, I primed her eyelid with an eyeshadow primer. Then set it with a banana setting powder to avoid grazing out. Eyeshadow can add interest to your makeup look. Whether you opt for neutral shades or go bold with colorful hues, whichever look you use, grab 2 complementary eyeshadows, one lighter shade and a darker shade. Dip your eyeshadow brush into the light shade, then apply it across the entire lid, starting at the lash line and ending just above the crease. Apply the darker color at the outer corner of your eye. Sweep the darker color across your eyelid crease, just under the brow bone. Then use a blending brush and blend the 2 shades together. I applied an eyeshadow primer on the lower lash line and on the tear dot, then applied my eyeshadow there too. Applying pressed powder can be a tricky process. Too little and you may as well have skipped the step altogether. Too much and you'll be spotting the dreaded cakey look. Using a large powder brush, begin by dusting a light coat of powder all over your face. Contour the corners of the nose. This can be done with a powder that is a shade lighter or 2 shades lighter, but preferably a shade lighter so that you don't go too dark. Then the cheekbone, the corners of the forehead. The oily parts of the face is generally found in the center. More powder is needed there. For this step, you place your brush into the powder, then firmly press it into the skin. This will help the powder make its way into pores for a smoother texture. If you want to add a bit more color and vibrancy to your complexion, blush may be the key. Use a dense brush with plenty of bristles to apply your blush. To avoid chapped lips, apply lip balm, then apply your lipstick and blend. Setting spray can be the final touch for your makeup routine. They are designed for all skin types. They help keep your makeup in place and also help to reduce reapplication needs and keeping your makeup looking flawless for hours at a time. If you are looking for precision, eyeliner is your new best friend. Eyeliner gel typically comes in a small pot with a thin brush for application. Gel liner is fantastic for creating a cat eye look. Dip a flat angular brush into the gel liner pot and start application in the middle of the lash line, working outwards. Bronzer can give your skin that sun-kissed glow all year long. Once you've got the right shade, apply your bronzer on the brow bone, on your cheeks, then sweep it across the jawline, reaching all the way down to your chin. And finally, on the nose bridge. Then apply lash glue on the eyelashes strip, then fix very close to the lash line. Your makeup is complete. With these makeup application tips, it's easy to create a variety of beauty looks, whether you are headed to the office or going out for a night on the town. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.